In this video we are going to finish with our solution. Let's design our table view in the same way as we did it before. By adding rows and columns, merging cells, linking dimensions and measures. If you are accidentally binded wrong value with a cell, it is easy to delete it by clicking this button. Let's preview what do we have now. Well, the important step when you are designing table view is to set special tag on a details rows of our table. Let's open Tags panel. Select these rows and click Rows tag. As you can see, our template is tagged in a special way. Let's preview what do we have now. So, we have tagged the template in a special way. These are the title rows. These are details rows. See the documentation for more details on this topic. Let's close Open Panels. We should prepare a back text label. We are going to finish with our design to make our visualization a little bit attractive. Let's add icons to the sales percent measure. It should be up arrow if its value is greater than 0 and down arrow otherwise. The symbol attribute expression to set appropriate icon has already been copied. We also going to use color action to highlight the KPI with a color. Let's apply a heat map coloring option on the sales percent measure. Select the custom scheme option. Set -1 as a minimum, 0 as an average and 1 as a maximum parameter. Let's add yet another value color action to set a font color in accordance with a sales percent value. Here we go. We made all text labels and values responsive when fit inside cell option has been applied. But, at the same time, we can also set a maximum allowed font size. Here we go. Let's insert a border by selecting these cells and clicking this button. We can also change a border color. We are going to add a histogram to improve readability of sales year-to-date KPI. To do that, let's drag and drop the measure into the cell and apply mini chart action on it. Fine. The final step is to add a special action which will allow us to drill from KPIs into details in just one click. Let's get back to the KPI visualization again. Select this cell. Click Actions button and add Activate View action. We need to select Details Visualization as the parameter and click Apply. That's it. Let's also apply Activate View action on Back to KPIs label. Here we go. Let's test it. Okay. Feel free to play around with this demo. You can try to do the same things for the margin KPIs by yourself. If you have any question or idea, feel free to contact us.